Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that truly changed my life, especially as I've gotten older. I'm 84 years old, and like many of you, I've faced my fair share of health challenges. One of the most common issues I've dealt with over the years is inflammation. It's something that sneaks up on you and causes so many discomforts, from joint pain to swelling, and even fatigue. Now, I'm not someone who typically jumps on the latest health trend, but when I heard about the benefits of turmeric and its impact on inflammation, I decided to give it a try. And let me tell you, in just 4 days, I noticed a significant difference. My inflammation began to fade, and I felt better than I had in years. So today, I'm going to share the exact turmeric recipe that worked for me, and I hope it can help you as well. What is inflammation and how does it affect us? Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk briefly about inflammation and why it's such a big deal. As we age, inflammation becomes a major contributor to various chronic conditions. Our immune system, which is designed to protect us, can sometimes overreact to harmless things, like everyday foods or environmental factors. When that happens, the body gets inflamed, and it can cause pain, discomfort, and even long-term damage if left unchecked. Joint pain is a classic symptom of inflammation. It can make simple tasks like walking, standing, or even sitting comfortably, a challenge. For older adults, this is particularly tough because the body doesn't heal as quickly as it used to, and you can end up in a cycle of pain that seems never-ending. Why turmeric? Now, you might be wondering, why turmeric? What makes it so special? Well, turmeric is an incredible herb that's been used for thousands of years, particularly in Indian and Ayurvedic medicine, for its anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric called curcumin is what gives it its medicinal power. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body by blocking certain molecules that trigger it. But here's the thing, turmeric alone isn't always absorbed well by the body. That's why it's important to take it in a way that maximizes its effectiveness. That's where the recipe I'm about to share comes in. The turmeric recipe that changed my life. The recipe is simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 cup of warm water or milk, if you prefer a creamy texture. Honey, optional, for taste. How to make it. 1. Start with a cup of warm water or milk. Begin by heating up a cup of water or milk. I prefer milk because it gives the drink a creamy texture, but water works just fine too. Warm the liquid, but don't bring it to a boil, you want it to be comfortable to drink. 2. Add the turmeric powder. Once your liquid is warm, add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's important to use high-quality turmeric here. If you can, go for organic turmeric, as it will be free of pesticides and other chemicals. 3. Include black pepper. Now, here's the key. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to the mix. This might seem unusual, but black pepper contains piperine, a compound that dramatically increases the absorption of curcumin in your body. Without it, your body can't absorb the full benefit of the turmeric. 4. Coconut oil for better absorption. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains healthy fats, which help your body absorb the curcumin even more effectively. It also adds a pleasant richness to the drink. 5. Sweeten it, optional. Finally, if you want to sweeten the drink, add a little honey. Honey has its own health benefits, like being a natural anti-inflammatory, and it adds a touch of sweetness that makes the drink more enjoyable. The benefits of this recipe. Now, let me tell you what this little drink did for me. After just 4 days of drinking this turmeric remedy, I noticed a significant reduction in inflammation throughout my body. My knees, which had been aching for years, felt more flexible and less stiff. I was able to move around more easily without the constant discomfort I had grown accustomed to. And the best part? It's all natural, with no side effects. The combination of turmeric, black pepper, coconut oil, and honey work together to reduce the inflammation that had been slowing me down for so long. And honestly, I feel like I have more energy too. I don't feel as tired after doing daily tasks, and I'm sleeping better at night because my body isn't fighting off the pain anymore. How long until you see results? Now, I want to be clear. This isn't a miracle cure, and it's not going to work overnight for everyone. For me, I noticed a difference in just 4 days, but it can take a bit longer for some people. Everyone's body is different, and your results may vary based on your individual health, diet, and lifestyle. But what I can tell you from experience is that this recipe is worth a try. If it worked for me, it might work for you too. And at the very least, it's a natural, safe alternative to the countless pills and medications I've tried over the years. Tips for incorporating turmeric into your diet. While the turmeric drink is a great place to start, there are other ways you can incorporate turmeric into your daily routine to maximize its benefits. Add it to your meals. You can sprinkle turmeric into soups, stews, or even onto roasted vegetables. It's a wonderful spice with a rich, warm flavor. Smoothies. Blend a teaspoon of turmeric into your smoothies for a healthy boost. Turmeric capsules. If you don't like the taste of turmeric, you can always take turmeric in capsule form. Just make sure it includes black pepper for better absorption. Conclusion. I hope this recipe helps you like it helped me. At 84, I never thought I'd be able to find something that would reduce my inflammation, but this simple turmeric recipe has made a world of difference in my life. I encourage you to give it a try, and see for yourself how powerful this ancient remedy can be. Remember, always consult with your doctor before trying any new remedy, especially if you're on medication or have existing health conditions. But, I believe that natural solutions like this can really make a positive impact on our health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.